Hello YouTube, this is Ashik. I'm going to be building my first gaming computer. I ordered these parts from overclockers.co.uk and they arrived this morning, so I can't wait to unbox them. So here we go. First I will show you the motherboard, which was £40. Unbox them. It's in an anti-static bag. Motherboard. That's it. And secondly, this is a processor, Intel Core Quad processor. How do I open this? Which this was about how much?
110.
£110. Quite expensive for a small thing. That's the processor, and this is its fan to make it cool. And I've got some RAMs, some Corsair RAMs. They're of 4 GB each. Nice. 4 GB. 4 GB. That means it's 8, isn't it?
Maybe.
Well, I actually bought.
We ordered 4 gig.
You ordered. It says 4 GB. 2 times 2 GB, which means 4 GB, right? But in here we see 2 4 GBs, which is 8. Maybe it was an error. But oh well. So let's say it's 8
You're
GB
a winner.
RAM. Yeah. This is the power supply, which was how much?
£51.
51 to be exact. Power supply, cable cords. Oh, they've even sent us a Asian, well, European power cord. It's cool. It's quite heavy. I'll leave it on the bottom here. And the baby, the graphics card. What's the model?
GTX 560 Ti.
Yep. Ooh. Which was worth 175. 75. The most expensive part out of 4. Oh, looks like a shoebox. Ooh. Cables. The baby. Yeah. Yeah, look at this, sick. It'll be good for HD movies. And the most bargain product I bought from OcUK is this tower. This is called a Terminator tower. It's supposed to look like a Terminator, but I think it looks more like Transformers. It should be called a Transformers tower. Look at it. Sick. halfway done. We've got the motherboard ready with the power supply and the processor, the hard drives and the CD. Now it's up to this graphics card, the main event. This. Oh, it smells good. Yeah. Hello, I'm actually. Ah! Hello, you. I arrived this morning and I'm ready to unbox them. Don't make me laugh. Hello, YouTube. This is Ashik. I'm going to be building a gaming computer and I've
Freaking, why are you only?
Now I'm going to place this baby. The Showtime, the hard drive. What's the model again?